my god! Oh my god!
They actually all got swept away.
Welcome to NFU, Nature Fury Unleashed YouTube channel. Get ready to witness the fury of nature. We will bring you face to face with nature's most extreme disasters. We showcase the raw, untamed power that shapes our planet. Stay connected with us by subscribing and experience the fury firsthand. Nature Fury Unleashed is where wrath of nature, and you won't believe your eyes. Because from devastating storms, tropical storm, hurricanes, typhoons, cyclone to violent tornadoes, destructive earthquakes, catastrophic floods, massive landslide, and unpredictable weather events, whether you're fascinated by extreme weather, love thrilling visuals, or want to learn more about these incredible natural forces, you've come to the right place. Right now, viewer, are you ready to see the wrath of nature? Okay, then let's get started.
The horrific moment a number of cars were caught in a pileup due to foggy weather conditions has been captured. The footage was taken on February 1st by a driver who had pulled over, merely avoiding crashing into other vehicles on the road. In the video clip, there are 3 lanes with cars pulled up at each side. In the end, there are a number of vehicles in a mass pileup, which have smashed into one another. It appears some drivers aren't aware of the incident and speed down the road before joining the horrific situation. One person can be seen slamming down on their brakes, but it was too late, and they skid into the other cars. People can be heard shouting as they attempt to stop any further crashes. According to local reports, the collisions were due to foggy weather and an icy road surface on the Taihui Expressway in Hunan, China. It's believed over 100 cars were involved in the incident. However, it did not mention whether there were any casualties.
别拍了，别拍，别发朋友圈，别发朋友圈，人家发朋友圈到时候不看谁不看谁的是吧？别发朋友圈啊！
别躲呀，光不发朋友圈。
你快躲！别拍了，别拍，别发朋友圈，别发朋友圈，人家发朋友圈到时候不看谁不看谁的是吧？
High winds and heavy snowfall have transformed roads in China into treacherous pathways, making travel nearly impossible. The relentless blizzard created an icy, slippery surface, turning streets into hazardous zones where even standing became a struggle. Powerful gusts of wind howled through the air, knocking people off balance and sending them sliding uncontrollably. Pedestrians desperately tried to steady themselves, but the sheer force of nature left many tumbling to the ground. In these extreme conditions, fear and excitement intertwined. Some individuals panicked as they found themselves helpless against the wind's fury, unable to regain their footing. Others, however, embraced the chaos. laughing as they were pushed along the frozen streets like skaters on an ice rink. Social media quickly flooded with videos capturing the bizarre yet dramatic scenes, people clinging to poles, gripping each other for support, and even attempting to crawl to safety. Vehicles, too, struggled against the storm, with cars skidding dangerously and traffic grinding to a halt. Emergency services were on high alert as accidents and injuries mounted. The combination of fierce winds and heavy snowfall created a rare but unforgettable spectacle, leaving cities frozen in a battle between man and nature. Severe winter weather has caused widespread disruption across China, with heavy snowfall and freezing rain creating hazardous conditions for millions. In northern China, freezing rain has turned roads into icy hazards, toppling trees and cutting off access to key areas. The relentless snowfall has blanketed entire landscapes, weighing down branches and leading to sudden collapses of accumulated snow onto roads. Power outages have been reported in several provinces, adding to the suffering as freezing temperatures persist. In China, the severe weather has paralyzed road and rail transportation, leaving thousands of travelers stranded. Highways remain clogged with vehicles trapped under thick layers of snow and ice, causing hours-long delays. The snowfall continues to accumulate, burying cars and infrastructure while making travel nearly impossible. Despite the challenges, power company workers are working tirelessly to restore electricity and keep essential services running. Emergency teams are deployed to clear fallen trees and restore mobility, but the relentless weather hampers progress. The worsening conditions over the weekend have further slowed traffic and deepened the crisis in affected areas. With freezing temperatures persisting, the battle against nature's fury continues, leaving millions struggling to cope with the extreme cold and disruption.
就是有那种感觉要跑出来的状况。
一把看啊。